to do our ethics project on academic dishonesty. My name is Dan Reichart,
I'm Ben Tigar.
I'm Zana Franklin.
and we will now begin the presentation.
So, academic dishonesty is a significant and ethical issue that affects schools and educational institutions worldwide. It includes the actions of cheating, plagiarism, and falsifying data, which compromise the integrity of the academic process.
Moving on to the types of academic dishonesty. First, we have plagiarism, which is copying someone else's work and passing it off as your own. A common plagiarism can be seen when people use quotes from books without crediting the author. Moving on, we have cheating, which is using unauthorized sources or devices to help you achieve a better outcome. And this is becoming more common nowadays with technologies such as ChatGPT coming into play. After that, we have contract cheating, which is the paying or bribing someone to help you cheat. After that, facilitation, helping others to cheat. This is common between classmates that are friends or that know each other who are in the same class trying to get better grades. Similar to facilitation, we have collusion, working together with others to cheat, another one that's common between classmates with either the same professor or someone that has taken the class before in the past. Very common to collude. Second to last, data fabrication, misrepresenting the results of your study. This can be seen in classes such as labs, where students kind of falsify the results of their lab in order to match what the formula is supposed to be. And then lastly, we have deceit, lying or falsifying information. So that's pretty similar to data fabrication in the sense of falsifying information, but it is a little bit different because of the fact that straight up lying is involved in that as well. So, as for the ethical situation of academic dishonesty, the scenario that we created was you see one of your best friends cheating on an exam in class. He has a paper with notes on it in the cuff of his pants. Would you tell the professor or would you keep the secret? So, this is a big decision because this can really affect your friend and his grade in the class moving forward.
So, why we chose it? We chose this ethical situation because it brings being students cheating in academics is something that unfortunately occurs very frequently here at Xavier. This situation also highlights a more broader issue in education and society as a whole. The intense pressure students face to succeed and the temptation to take shortcuts, even when it means compromising ethical standards, is unfortunately very common today.
So, for how we would handle the situation of academic dishonesty, we would understand why maybe the student is going through a stressful time, maybe a loved one has passed. So, just consider why they may be cheating and communicate that with their professor. We'd also offer support, let them know that we're there to help as well. So, just how to avoid academic dishonesty in the future, you create a study group. So, just having a space where you can come and, be supportive, have a supportive environment where you can support each other academically. Also, just incorporate those strong study habits daily, preparing for your exams and just practicing good time management skills so you have enough time to prepare for those exams. And also utilizing resources on campus. Xavier, offers tutoring, and you can also go to office hours as well that professors provide.